Hello everyone. If you're able to see me and hear me, please type one in the chat box. Thank you for confirming. So first and foremost, I would like to acknowledge the fact that you are all here, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart because you could be doing so many other things, and I know time is the most valuable asset, and I will try to give the best value of your time. And this is a 90-minute session, and in this session, we'll be discussing in detail about our diploma in skincare formulation course, about all the products which we are teaching in the course, and after doing the course how you can start your own professional cosmetics business, and what are the ingredients that will be used for formulating cosmetic products, and how you can get all the ingredients. Every single detail of starting your own cosmetic business we'll be discussing in today's session. I know many of you have some questions in your mind, so we do not have raise hand option available. So whenever you have any questions in your mind, kindly post your question in the chat box so that I'll be able to answer your question. And kindly take notes because even one idea can help you a lot when you start your own cosmetics business. So there are a lot of advantages in formulating as well as using handmade professional cosmetic products, because handmade cosmetic products contain no harsh chemicals. It is natural, it is organic, it is very safe for our skin. It can be used even for kids. And as a business, it is a very, very profitable business. And now it is in huge demand. Cosmetics industry is booming and trending. And there is a huge demand for organic cosmetic products. So, Priyanka, sorry, I will try to speak as low as possible, but language will be English. Preeta, a very good morning to you. Sorry, a very good evening to you. And whenever any of you have any questions in your mind, you can always ask in the chat box. And there is a lot of difference between market-based cosmetic products and handmade cosmetic products, because market-based cosmetic products are manufactured in bulk in factories. So it is not made for a particular person. It is not made for a particular type of skin. It is made for everyone. Since it is made in bulk, they use a lot of harsh chemicals in it. That is why now there is huge awareness which is created through social media, that using chemicals on everyday basis, the health impacts, what all it is doing for our skin, for our health. That is why more and more people have started moving to organic products, have started moving to natural cosmetic products. Not only cosmetics, in food industry, everything, people now started switching to natural options. So that is the reason now organic and natural cosmetic products as a industry, it is booming and trending. And there are a lot of benefits when you formulate your own cosmetic products, because when you know to formulate, you will only choose the luxury category ingredients, right? You're going to make something for yourself or for your customers, for your own business. So you will choose only the best ingredients, luxury category ingredients, and the product which you are going to make will give 100% result, because it is all the ingredient wise and the manufacturing process also we will be doing in very small quantity, right? We will not be making in 1000 kg, for we'll not be making it in bulk, only according to the individual. That is, we talk with the customer, we ask important question like what is the customer's skin type, what is the customer's skin issue, if a customer has acne issue, if the customer has mature skin or oily type of skin or dry skin or sensitive skin, and why the customer is looking for a product to solve any particular issue, or also if the customer likes gel, cream or scrub. All these are important questions which we have to talk and we have to understand, and based on the answers, when we formulate a cosmetic product, the individual is going to definitely like that product, and definitely that product is going to give 100% result. That is what we are going to get when we formulate handmade cosmetic products. So at the end of today's session, you will also be getting an opportunity to become a part of the Institute of Cosmetic Science by enrolling in the Diploma in Skincare Formulation course, which is conducted by the Institute of Cosmetic Science. So in today's session, I'll be explaining about the complete syllabus of the Diploma in Skincare Formulation course. In the end, you can enroll in the course. So let me introduce myself. My name is Rexy Margaret, and I am the trainer for the Diploma in Skincare Formulation course and Diploma in Color Cosmetics Formulation course, which is conducted by the Institute of Cosmetic Science. And I have completed international programs in the field of cosmetic science and have more than 10 years experience in this field. Also, I am a central government certified TOT trainer, and I've been conducting online and offline workshops, have trained over 5,000 people, helped a lot of men and women to become an entrepreneur. And this is our academy, Institute of Cosmetic Science, which is located in BTM layout in Bangalore, and we conduct professional diploma courses. Our academy is affiliated to National Skill Development Corporation, and our trainers are also central government certified. See, these are the certificates of our academy. Our academy is ISO certified, MSME certified, NISD certified. Also, we are a lifetime member of the International Federation of Society of Cosmetic Chemists, so that the certificate which is given by our academy is also internationally valid. And this is our GST certificate, NSDC affiliation, and incorporation certificate. So the main reason why I am showing you the certificates of our academy is once you decide to become a part of the Institute of Cosmetic Science by enrolling in the Diploma in Skincare Formulation course, at the end of the course, you will also be certified by a central government affiliated academy. So I can see many of you joining now. So I welcome each and every one of you for today's session. So today's session is about our Diploma in Skincare Formulation course, which is conducted by the Institute of Cosmetic Science. So I'll be explaining the fee for the course at the end of today's session. So before that, before the fee, what is covered in the course, the syllabus of the course is very important. So in some time, I will be explaining the complete syllabus of the course, and at the end of the course, you'll be able to enroll in the Diploma in Skincare Formulation course. So why should you formulate your own cosmetic products? The main reason is we have complete control over the ingredients which goes into the product, because what goes into the product is going to go on our skin also, right? We are going to use that product. So when we choose the best ingredients, safe ingredients and natural ingredients in the cosmetic products, our skin will also be healthy, our skin will also be safe. And also we are going to customize and personalize the product according to the skin type, because it is small business what we are going to do, and we are going to make in small quantity, individually customize and personalize according to our customer skin or our skin. So it is completely personalized, and by doing this we can save a lot of money, because in the course Diploma in Skincare Formulation, we teach formulation from scratch. We do not use any cream base, scrub base, shampoo base, everything we'll be doing from scratch, so we can save a lot of money. And definitely we'll be using only safe ingredients, some chemicals wherever required in minimum quantity, because in this course we are going to learn professional cosmetic products which can be sold in a departmental store, in a supermarket, which can be sold in Amazon, Flipkart or Nykaa. So we have so many doctors who do this course and they formulate products for their patients. So we are going to use the best ingredients that are available.
and the products which we are teaching is going to have a shelf life. The expiry date is going to be at least 1 year, and the products which we are teaching is also suitable for kids above 8 years. And every ingredient we are going to choose is going to be a luxury category ingredient, right? So the product itself comes under the premium category of products. So the products has to be sold for a higher price. So the profit margin will also be higher. And as I said, we are going to talk to the customer, understand the skin type of the customer, and then we are going to formulate. So there are 5 different types of skin: oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, and combination skin or normal skin. So why we are asking this question to the customer is based on their answer. We are going to choose every ingredient. Like if the customer has oily skin type, then we will choose only lightweight ingredients like grapeseed oil, rosehip oil, apricot kernel oil, which are all lightweight. And if the customer has dry skin, then we will choose rich and moisturizing ingredients like sweet almond oil, coconut oil, or olive oil. So, asking this question is also very important. Aisha, the session will be maximum 90 minutes. So, that is the main reason why we are going to ask the type of skin to the customer. And in this course, you will be learning every product that you need to start your own cosmetics business, ranging from gels, creams, scrubs, face packs, soaps, body lotions, bath bombs, serum. Every product that you need to start your own cosmetics business will be teaching in this course. So let us start with face gel. Face gel is a very versatile product. It gives complete moisturization for the skin. It gives hydration. It gives all the water content that is required for the skin. It makes the skin very soft and supple. And once you apply a face gel like this is a red wine face gel. So when you apply a face gel, immediately you get a very cooling sensation, and it will calm down the skin. It will soothe the irritated skin, and it is very lightweight also, because we are not going to add any oil based ingredients in a face gel. So it is very lightweight. It quickly gets absorbed into the skin, making the skin very much glowing and healthier. It is suitable for every type of skin, and it can be used during any time, because it gets immediately absorbed. And as I said, it is not greasy, right? It does not contain any oil, so it can be applied in the daytime also, in the night time also. So in this course we are going to teach 8 types of face gel: saffron gel, pomegranate gel, anti acne gel, red wine gel, green tea gel, cucumber gel, aloe vera gel, and chamomile gel. So these are all the products which our students have formulated, the brands our students have started after learning the diploma in skincare formulation course. So you can see so many beautiful products our students are making and selling. So the selling cost of a product of a face gel like this starts from 300 to 500. But for making this, you'll have to invest like 50 or 60 rupees, and you can make a product like this, because as I said, these are premium category products. So the profit margin is going to be very higher. Yati Jain, hello. So next is face cream. So this is a saffron cream. The main benefit of a face cream. So this is a whitening saffron cream. Like this, we teach different types of face cream. It not only hydrates the skin, it not only nourishes the skin, but also it provides all the vitamins, antioxidants, botanical extracts required for the skin. So those of you raising hands, I request you to kindly post your questions in the chat box, so that I'll be able to answer your questions. So they come in different formats. Face creams means it is not only moisturizers, it can be anti-aging creams, it can be whitening creams, it can be anti-acne creams. Accordingly, the ingredients will change. So in this products, we use very rich ingredients like almond oil, jojoba oil, rose water, sandalwood powder, red wine, saffron. So it is very, very rich. And we are teaching 4 types of face cream: whitening sandalwood cream, light moisturizing cream, anti-aging red wine cream, brightening saffron cream. These are all the beautiful creams which are formulated by our students. Many of them, they have started their own brand, and they are selling these cosmetic products. So if you are going to invest 50 rupees in a product, in making a cream like this, you can sell up to 500 rupees. You can sell starting from 250 till 500. 5 times to 10 times. That is the profit margin for selling the products. That is handmade because it is personalized, right? It is not made in 100 kg. It is made for only a particular individual. So it is completely personalized and customized. Next is face scrub. So face scrub is a product which exfoliates the skin. So when you apply a face scrub, this is a sweet orange and walnut brightening scrub. So when you apply it, when you give a light massage, it will remove all the dead cells from the skin. It will remove all the dirt particles from the skin. It will remove all the dirt inside the pores also. There are lots of pores on the skin, right? So inside that pores, there will be a lot of sweat and dirt that will also get removed from the skin. The tan will get removed from the skin. So the complexion immediately it will become brighter. And when you clean the pores regularly, then acne issues, pimples, breakouts, everything will come down. So we are teaching 5 types of face scrub: charcoal scrub, rose scrub, sweet orange scrub, underarm and elbow polishing scrub, coffee and chocolate scrub. So these are made using very rich ingredients like rose powder, activated charcoal, walnut powder, orange peel powder, chocolate powder, coffee powder. So these are very, very rich. So these are the brands which have been started by our students. So they have beautifully made the products, labeled it successfully. They are selling in the market. Selling cost starts from 200 to 400 because you don't need to invest much for making a scrub. So, Rook sir, hello. And next is face pack. So face pack, this is a anti-acne face pack made using neem and French green clay. It is very, very rich. So a face pack usually contains the ingredients called as mineral clay. This mineral clay will act like a magnet. It will remove all the impurities from the skin. It will remove all the excess oils and toxins from the skin. It gives a very deep cleansing effect by removing the tan, unclogging the pores, and also it will prevent whiteheads and blackheads, and it will improve the skin tone very much. That is, when we go for a facial, they will apply many products like gel, cream, scrub, but after they apply the face pack, they will leave for 20 minutes, and then they will remove the face pack, and then immediately they will give a mirror to see before and after result. That is because face pack is very, very rich. Immediately it will improve the skin tone. When you remove it, immediately you can see the result. So that is the reason it is very, very powerful. So we are teaching 6 types of face pack: spirulina and French green clay face pack, herbal uptan and rice face pack, Dead Sea mud and charcoal face pack, mixed fruits face pack, rose and kaolin clay face pack, anti-acne face pack. So we have used very rich ingredients like coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil, rose clay, kaolin clay, walnut powder, pink clay, strawberry powder, French green clay, calamine clay. All these beautiful ingredients have been infused in the face packs which we are teaching. So these are the brands which our students have started. Many of them, they are selling the face pack very successfully because these are great result oriented products. So selling cost of a face pack starts from 300 till 600, depends on how much you are investing. Next is face wash. So face wash is a product everybody will use, right? Even though if you use your if you do not use any other beauty products, definitely everybody will be using a face wash because face wash will remove the dirt, the oil, makeup, every impurities from the skin. Also, the face wash is going to stay on the face for very less time because immediately we will apply and then wash it off. So within that less time, it has to give the result, right? That is why the face wash which we are teaching, when you look on the screen, it is very, very thick because we make a very thick extract of the natural ingredient. Using that extract, we have made the face wash because within very less time, it has to give the result. It has to clear the skin. It has to brighten the skin. It has to prevent acne issues. That is why we have made it very thick. So it has ingredients like uptan extract, coffee extract, kaolin clay, walnut powder, saffron extract, neem and turmeric extract. So we are teaching 5 types of face wash, that is 24 karat gold face wash, skin brightening face wash, anti-acne face wash, Uptan face wash, coffee and walnut scrubbing face wash. And these are the brands our students have started, and they are selling all these beautiful face wash. And many of them, they are getting great sales. They are earning in lakhs by making these cosmetic products from their home, and they are selling through Amazon. Many are selling through Nykaa, through Flipkart. They many have a Facebook account, and they sell through marketplace, and many sell through Instagram videos, YouTube videos. So there are lots of ways to sell the products now. Even big brands are dependent on influencers to promote a product. That is the power of social media today. So next is melt and pour soap. So melt and pour soaps will be a transparent like this. It is the main advantage of a melt and pour soap is it can be made in a big block, and when we get order, we can cut the required quantity of the base, and then we can melt it, add colors, fragrance. This is a red wine soap. So if you do not add red wine, this will be a plain transparent soap, right? So that you can get cut it whenever you get an order. Accordingly, you can cut it, melt it, add fragrance, colors, herbs, design it. You can use a mold, and you can what your customer is asking accordingly. You can use your creativity and design it, present it like what your customer wants, and then you can deliver the products. That kind of customization is possible only in melt and pour soaps. So we are teaching 5 types of melt and pour soap: saffron soap, red wine soap, tan removal soap, goat milk soap, and anti-acne soap. And we have used ingredients like coconut oil, almond oil, saffron extracts, red wine, sandalwood powder, licorice powder, goat milk powder. So it is very, very rich. Next is cold process soap. So cold process soap is a luxury category product. It is not like melt and pour soap. This soap selling cost of a 125 grams soap is starting from 300 rupees. But melt and pour soaps, you can sell it from 60 or 70 rupees, because this is a luxury product. This cannot be melted. This is made using oils, butters, herbs, and essential oils. It's very, very rich. It is very, very gentle, ultra nourishing and moisturizing. And also, it can be used even for kids. So when you apply the soap, you get a very rich lather. That is, when you apply this, the lather, the foam which we get will be transparent. But when you apply this cold process soap, the lather which you get will be milk, and it will be creamy because of all the oils, butters, and herbs. So it is a luxury category products. We have used a lot of luxury ingredients: coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil, shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, goat milk powder. So it is very rich. We are teaching 4 types of cold process soap: baby bathing bar, shea, cocoa, mango butter, luxury soap, goat milk soap, and charcoal soap. And these are all the beautiful products, both melt and pour as well as cold process soaps, which are formulated by our students. Many of our students are brand owners now. They are making beautiful cosmetic products which they learned from us. Many of them, they have successfully started their own cosmetics brand and selling these products. Next is body lotion. So body lotion, why we use a body lotion is to hydrate and moisturize the skin so that it does not become dry, or it does not become flaky. So that is the reason we use a body lotion. And the body lotion which we are teaching contains very rich ingredients which you can never find in the market, like apricot kernel oil, macadamia nut oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil. So this body lotion, when you apply it, it will create a barrier on the skin, and it will not allow the moisture from the skin to get lost. So it will protect all the moisture inside the skin. So we are teaching 3 types of body lotion, that is baby soft super absorbent lotion, aloe vera, tea tree, lavender, and vitamin E lotion, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, nourishing, and moisturizing lotions. Selling cost of a body lotion is 200 onwards. Next is bath bomb. Bath bomb is an international product which we are teaching.
So this can be used in a bathtub. The small bath bomb is very famous these days because
Many in the beauty parlors, they are using the small bath bombs for luxury pedicure.
so when you drop a bath bomb into a bucket of warm water, it will start
Releasing all the aromatherapy ingredients, the essential oils, fragrances, which will uplift the mood. It will reduce the stress level. And it has Epsom salt, which will get released when you drop it into the water. So this Epsom salt will cure all the muscle pain, like pain, inflammation in the skin. So we are using ingredients like almond oil, sea salt, lavender, kaolin clay, Epsom salt. So it is very, very rich. So we are teaching two types of bath bombs, that is lavender fizzy bath bomb, almond and kaolin bubble bath bomb. Next is lipstick, lip balm, lip serum, and lip scrub. So why we use a lip care product is to hydrate our lips, to prevent dryness, chapping, or flakiness in the lips. Also to make the lips very soft and supple, because we have used ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, vitamin E, which will make the lips very soft, and it will repair the damaged lips. Also, we are teaching lipstick, lip balm, lip scrub, and lip serum made using castor oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, shea butter, honey, glycerin. So it is very, very rich. So these are all the beautiful lip care products which are formulated by our students. So many of our students, they are formulating different types of different flavors of lip balm, and it is going on very, very successfully. And next is shampoo and conditioner. So in the Ritika, thank you so much. So, shampoo and conditioner, we are using keratin. The keratin is naturally found in the hair. Why we are using it in the shampoo and conditioner is because it will provide extra strength for the hair. It will reduce the breakage in the hair, the split ends in the hair. It will also make the skin hair very, very manageable, and also it will like improve the elasticity in the hair. That is, when you use a hair straightener or a hair curler, the hair will not break, it will not get affected. So it will give extra strength and elasticity for the hair. So not only keratin powder, we have used silk protein powder, glycerin, vitamin E, argan oil. So it is very, very rich. So we are teaching keratin shampoo, hair conditioner, and detangler. And these are all the brands started by our students. So our students, they are selling the shampoo and conditioner. Shampoo alone for 400, conditioner for 400. Both together, they are selling for 1000 onwards. Next is face serum. So face serum, which we are teaching, contains jojoba oil, argan oil, rosehip oil, and grapeseed oil. And also it provides intense hydration for the skin. It will replenish all the moisture that is lost during the daytime. So, because this face serum is meant to be used during the night time, so it contains all the ingredients which are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fatty acids, and it is very lightweight, so it gets immediately absorbed into the skin. So, we are teaching two types of face serum, that is serum for acne prone skin and 24 karat gold serum. And so, Ritika, thus, as a central government affiliated academy, we are not supposed to sell cosmetic products, but we have hundreds of students who are selling the cosmetic products. So, we'll be sharing all the brand names of our students in some time. So, these are all the beautiful serums packed and sold, labeled by our students. These are all the Wonder Glow, VBC, all the brands which have been started by our students. So we have been conducting these classes from 2019 onwards, and from that time we have hundreds of students who are now brand owners. Like some of them sell serum, some of them sell soap, some of them sell gel. So many of them they like choose some particular product and they sell the cosmetic products. So Komal, at the end of the syllabus, I'll be telling you how to enroll in the course. And next is formulation. So many of you, I know you have joined today's session, are beginners. So this course is a beginner friendly course, and in this course, for every product till now, I have explained about 50 products. So for every product, there will be a text lesson in which I'll be teaching about the formulation. What are the ingredient, how much quantity a ingredient has to be used. And then in the video lesson, there will be step-by-step explanation, how to formulate the cosmetic products. Everything will be there. And
some ingredients will be added when the product is heating. Some ingredient will be added when the product comes to the normal temperature. So in the video lessons, we'll be teaching you how to formulate the cosmetic products. There will be 10 days, 10 working days, that is 2 weeks. Classes will be there. It will be live session, which will be teaching you how to formulate all these 50 types of cosmetic products. So once the product is ready, we'll be transferring it to the container. We'll be labeling it. So from getting the ingredients to formulating, labeling it, everything will be showing you in the webinar, everyday classes, and you will be able to formulate along with us. And Komal, I'll be explaining about the course fee and about the certificate. In sometimes I'll be telling you. So I know every one of you are eager to enroll in the course. So just give me some time. I'll be explaining the course fee and how to enroll in the course. And we'll be using a lot of extracts, natural extracts like aloe vera extracts, according to the benefits. Like why we use aloe vera to treat burns, cuts, and pomegranate for anti-aging properties, and green tea extract for irritation and redness, neem extract for acne and pimples, saffron extract for whitening the skin, cucumber for eye-related issues, and herbal powders like multani methi, like turmeric for its therapeutic benefits, and mineral glaze for in the face pack, which I showed earlier, like anti-acne face pack. We have used French green clay, there is Rasol clay, there is calamine clay. According to the benefits, we'll be choosing and we'll be using it. And next is oils like carrier oils, like sweet almond oil, we'll be using for improving the skin tone. And we'll be using jojoba oil for anti-inflammatory properties, coconut oil also to cure many skin issues, olive oil to repair the skin damage, rosehip oil, grapeseed oil, both are filled with vitamins and minerals. And then we'll be using some essential oils for its therapeutic properties, like tea tree oil to cure the acne related issues, and lavender oil for a gentle moisturization, geranium oil for aging and wrinkles, chamomile oil to tighten the pores, ylang ylang oil for its anti-fungal properties, and special ingredient, as I said, we'll be using red wine. This is a red wine gel made using red wine. It does not contain any color or anything. It contains only red wine. So this is a red wine soap. Likewise, we can formulate different types of products using red wine, because red wine gives a glow to the skin. Sandalwood powder can be used in the creams for whitening the skin. Goat milk powder can be used in the soaps because it will repair the skin damage. Beetroot powder can be used in the lip care products. And packaging supplies also required for the course we'll be providing. And after the course, when you want to buy, we'll be giving you the supplier information. And many of you have these questions. What are the certificates required for starting your cosmetics business? So for starting your cosmetics business from your own home as a small scale, you don't need any extra certificate. When you go to medium scale level, then you can get a MSME certificate. And when you want to register your business, when you are when you want to expand your business and register your business, you can get a GST certificate. For that, you can approach any chartered accountant and you can get it. And license, many of you have this confusion that license is required. License is given only for large scale business. For that, you should have a factory, you should have all the equipments. Only when you go to the large scale level, you need a license. But here in this course, we are focusing on small scale and medium scale. And our academy is a central government affiliated academy, and the course which we are offering has 122 lessons, but we'll be teaching everything for you in 2 weeks. It is a 2 weeks course. So in that there will be classes, everyday classes will be there for 1 hour, and we'll be formulating cosmetic products. We'll be sending you the raw materials and you will be formulating along with us. And the next day recording will be uploaded. So if you miss the class, there is no issue. You can watch the recordings, and doubt clearing session will be there at the end of the course. and in between the classes also, I'll be clearing the doubts, and we'll be providing the recording with you, which has lifetime access to it.
And also you get a very valuable certificate, and the last day of the course we'll be collecting the
Names from you, and then we'll be processing the certificate for you.
So after that, when you want to start your business, we'll be giving you the supplier information, because during the course, what are the raw materials required, we'll be providing. But after the course, you can buy it from the suppliers. So as a business, beauty and skincare business has high profit margin, and handmade cosmetic products has to be sold for a higher price. And you can start your own cosmetics business from the convenience of your home.
And after COVID, the demand for organic and natural cosmetic products is so high.
Our students are already earning in lakhs.
So I know every one of you are waiting to enroll in this course. So let me explain the complete syllabus very, very quickly. After that, I will give you a webinar special offer to enroll in the course. So the Diploma in Skincare Formulation course has 12 modules. That is gel making course, cream making course, scrub making course, face pack making course, bubble and fizzy bath bomb making course, serum making course, face wash making course, melt and pour soap making course, cold process soap making course, lotion making course, lip products making course, shampoo and conditioner making course. In module 1, in introduction module, you will be learning what is cosmetic science and what do we learn in skincare formulation, skin science, anatomy and physiology, tools and equipments required for making cosmetic products, calculating formulas, supplier information to purchase raw materials. Module 2, 8 types of gels, that is healing aloe vera gel, cooling cucumber gel, brightening saffron gel, anti-acne neem gel, antioxidant green tea gel, anti-aging red wine gel, pomegranate skin lightening gel, chamomile under eye gel. Module 3, you'll be learning 4 types of creams, that is light moisturizing cream, brightening saffron cream, anti-aging red wine cream, whitening sandalwood cream. Module 4, you'll be learning 5 types of scrubs, that is emulsified rose scrub, sweet orange and almond brightening scrub, coffee and chocolate scrub, charcoal scrub, underarm and elbow polishing scrub. Module 5, you'll be learning 6 types of face pack, that is rose and kaolin clay face pack, mixed herbs powder and rice face pack, mixed fruits face pack, Dead Sea mud and charcoal face pack, anti-acne face pack, spirulina and French green clay face pack. Module 6, you'll be learning 5 types of face wash, that is mixed herbs face wash, coffee and walnut scrubbing face wash, 24 karat gold face wash, skin brightening face wash, and anti-acne face wash. Module 7, you'll be learning 5 types of melt and pour soaps, that is saffron soap, tan removal soap, skin polishing soap, anti-acne soap, and red wine soap. Module 8, you'll be learning 4 types of cold process soap, that is baby bathing bar, shea, cocoa, mango butter, luxury soap, goat milk soap, and charcoal soap. Module 9, you'll be learning 3 types of lotions, that is baby soft super absorbent lotion, aloe vera, tea tree, lavender, and vitamin E lotion, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, nourishing, and moisturizing lotion. Module 10, you'll be learning lavender fizzy bath bomb, almond and kaolin bubble bath bomb. Module 11, you'll be learning lipstick formulation, lip balm formulation, lip scrub formulation, lip serum formulation. Module 12, you'll be learning keratin shampoo, hair conditioner, and detangler. Module 13, you'll be learning serum for acne prone skin, 24 karat gold serum. And in the last module, you get all the answers about common doubts, brief explanation of certificates involved in cosmetics industry, introduction of raw materials used in cosmetics, how to check the pH of the product, how to increase or decrease the pH level, and also how to pack the product, how to label the product, what are the preservatives used in cosmetics, and procedure to apply for the diploma certificate. So the Diploma in Skincare Formulation course, which has 12 modules, and you'll be learning about over 50 types of cosmetic products. The actual value is 24,999. So you're getting this complete course just for rupees 6,999, which it includes all the raw materials required for formulation, and it is a 2 weeks course, so you'll be getting detailed live classes will be there, you will be formulating along with us. So 2 weeks completely dedicated for cosmetic products. It is going to be a great learning experience, so don't miss this opportunity. So I'm sharing the GPay and PhonePe number. You can make the payment of 6,999 and you can enroll in the course. So let me know if you have any doubts or questions. And Anusha, no, it includes the raw materials required only during the formulation, the sample raw materials. What all required for the classes, will be sending it to your address. Only few things you'll have to buy, like coconut oil, olive oil, some things you'll have to buy, but most of the raw materials will be sending to your address. You'll have to get a small weighing scale. Only the few things you'll have to buy, but like beakers and all, we'll give you the alternate. You can use your own tumblers, and you can use your induction, you can use a hand blender which we use for cooking. So mostly kitchen based only few things you'll have to buy, others will be sending it to your address. And Komal, no, it is only batch wise. So once this batch is over, most probably we'll be starting another batch in December. And Sneha skin whitening cream is there. Saffron whitening cream, sandalwood whitening cream, everything is there in the syllabus. And so, Ritika, does the customer reviews we have posted in our Instagram page by our students, whatever they send us, everything we have posted. As I said, this course we have been conducting from 2019 onwards. So, we have great reviews, great, after using the products, what our students have said, everything we have posted in the Instagram page. So, Komal, most probably in December. And Meena, the course fee is 6,999. Christina, the class starting date will be July 20th. So we'll be start sending you the raw materials once the admissions, everything will be closing, and we'll be sending you the raw material. June 20th or before June 20th, July 20th, you will be receiving all the raw materials and you can start the classes. Before that, we'll be starting a group and we'll be adding you in the group, Facebook support, WhatsApp group. In that, we'll be giving you all the instructions. And Ashwini, definitely you'll be getting the recordings of the session. Every day recordings will be there. 2 to 3 o'clock will be the class timings. But I know many of you will be working professionals, so you'll not be having timing. So you can watch the classes next day, do the product and send the photos in the WhatsApp group. And Meenu will be telling you how to formulate according to the skin type. Mostly all the products are suitable for every type of skin. Preeti, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. Kindly share your name, email address, phone number and screenshot to 9363519066. This is the same number in which you have received all the details about today's session. So kindly share the name, email address, phone number and screenshot. Komal, the admissions will be closing today. This is a webinar special offer, and this special fee is only for this batch. So it is already 50% discount which we are giving you. So don't miss this opportunity. So I know many of you want to register your name, but you want some time. So you can make a payment of rupees 1,000 and we'll register your name, but you'll have to make the balance payment within 24 hours. And Ritika, industrial based training is for our advanced course, but for advanced course, we are not taking direct admission. Only after you complete this course, that is after 2 weeks, we'll give you the advanced course details. And Meena, hair oil is covered in the advanced course. The 50 products which which I explained till now, it is covered in this course. So Ramya, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. Kindly share your name, email address, phone number and screenshot so that we'll be able to confirm your payment. Aisha, 10 p.m. will be closing enrollments for this course. So don't miss this opportunity. And Komal, the last date for registration is today. And Aisha, the classes starts from 20th of July. So Anusha, the classes starts from 20th of July. And those of you who have made the payment already, kindly share the name, email address, phone number and screenshot. And Ashwini, it starts from 20th of July for 2 weeks. So Hema, the classes is for 2 weeks. Timing is 2 to 3 p.m. every day. That is Monday till Friday, 2 to 3 p.m. Christina, the live session timing is 2 to 3 p.m. every day for Monday to Friday. And so Anusha, both registration fee and course fee together, it is 6,999. So today's offer is 6,999. Neelam next batch will be mostly in the month of December. And Seema, no. Please join only if you want to register. Really do the course, only then please join. And Neelam WhatsApp group is for the students. We'll be creating, once the admissions are closed, we'll be creating the WhatsApp group and we'll be sending you the all the details in the WhatsApp group. Farhana, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. So let us see a review from one of our students who have completed the course and started her business.
Hi, I want to thank NIFDTB for their amazing course, and I had a wonderful time learning from Rexy ma'am. She was amazing and very helpful throughout the entire process. Thank you. Hi.
So Yoga Shri next batch will be mostly in December, not now. So this offer, special offer of 6,999, that too including around 60 to 70 raw materials which will be sending to your address. So including everything, it is 6,999. So don't miss this opportunity. Once you complete this course, end of 2 months, end of 2 weeks, you will have at least all the 50 products ready in your hands. So with that 50 products, you will be able to start your business directly. So what you are investing now, 6,999, you will get back as 50,000 rupees. So don't miss this opportunity. You are going to start your own business immediately after you complete the course. You will have so many cosmetic products in your hand. Directly, you can start your business. And Meena, no. If you have missed the syllabus, you can check our website. In the website, we have given the complete syllabus. So I'm sharing it in the chat box also. So in the website, there is the complete syllabus is there. So I can understand many of you are still thinking to enroll. You want to enroll in the course. You are very much interested in starting your cosmetics business. That is why you have joined today's session. But still, you are thinking because you are not able to invest 6,999. The main reason is you are not financially independent. If you want your situation to change, then you have to take action, right? Today, if you take a decision to change your life, to become a business owner, then you have to somehow you have to join the course today and you have to learn every day. It is going to be 2 weeks, only 2 weeks. If you invest for your life, you're going to learn to formulate 50 types of cosmetic products. With that, you will be able to start your own cosmetics business. End of 2 weeks, you will have 50 products in your hand and you can just create a Instagram page, you can create a YouTube account, and what you are doing every day, you can take a video of your work. And that work, if you keep posting in your Instagram page, if you keep posting in your YouTube page, definitely at the end of 2 weeks, you will start getting orders and you already have 50 products in your hand. Just think, one product, if you are selling for 200 or 300, think how much returns you will be getting, how much profit you will be getting. So just enrolling in the course for 6,999, end of the course, you will have 40, 50,000 in your hand. Then you can invest, then you buy raw materials. Just follow what you have learned. Within 2 weeks, you'll have the habit of formulating cosmetic products, right? You'll be learning a new subject. Cosmetic science is a very interesting subject. Every day you're going to learn, every day you're going to formulate for 2 weeks. End of the course, you'll have so many products in your hand and you'll be able to start your own business. So what you are doing every day, if you continue, you will become a business owner just like our students. So let me share our Facebook support group. You can say whatever I told you till now, what this is what our students who have done the course they are doing. So they are making all these beautiful cosmetic products and they are earning in lakhs. All this they have learned during the course, and just after the course they are following every day. They are making these beautiful cosmetic products. Now think how much they would be earning without getting any orders. They will not be making so many cosmetic products, right? So they are getting so many orders because the natural cosmetic products are in huge demand, and our students, they are making so many cosmetic products and they are earning a lot by selling all these cosmetic products. I want every one of you who has put your effort today, you have joined the session today and you have listened to the whole session. I've explained about 50 50 types of cosmetic products. You have listened to everything. Now only one step you have to take is by joining the course, and you will be able to become a cosmetics formulator. You will also be able to formulate all these beautiful cosmetics, and you will be able to start your own cosmetics business. So don't miss this opportunity. Once you enroll in this course, you become a part of the Institute of Cosmetic Science, and we will make sure that you become a cosmetics formulator. So one thing you have to do is enrolling in the course. Don't think much. Definitely this course is going to make you successful. This course is going to give you all the freedom, financial freedom to start your own business. So those of you who have made the payment, kindly share the name, email address, phone number, and screenshot so that I'll be able to confirm your payment. And Farhana, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. And Nisha, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. So let us see another review. Neelam will be providing all the raw materials required for making all the products we'll be giving you. And certificate, you'll be getting this valuable diploma certificate after you complete the course. In the last lesson of the class, we'll be collecting the names from you and we'll be processing the certificate and we'll be sending you the certificate. And Fauzia, next batch will be in December. It is not now. It is only limited number of students we are taking for this batch, so we don't have the option now. So Ashwini, no, it is not covered. The syllabus is given in the website, so you can again check the website if you have missed it.
Hello, I'm Dr. Bharti Kumar, and it was a really nice experience to have the learnings from your institute. And I'm very sure that all of you might be helping thousands of people to stand up on their own feet and be independent financially. The course is well designed, well explained, and I'm happy that I completed my learnings from your institute. Thanks a lot.
So if you are a doctor, definitely this course is going to be very helpful for you because we have so many doctors who have done the course and then they have been making cosmetic products for their patients. Just like our students, you will also be able to formulate cosmetic products for your customer. So don't miss this opportunity. And our seats are getting filled. Don't miss this opportunity. We have very few seats left. Priya, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. Suganya, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. Still, if there is something that is stopping you, please let me know in the chat box. So if you think you are not able to afford this 6,999 today, if only you take some effort, your situation is going to change, right? Tomorrow also you won't be able to afford, or next month also, or next year also. It is only your efforts which is going to make you successful. For that, you have to take a decision. Not only the learning, you're going to get all the recordings. This recording will have lifetime access. So for lifetime, you'll have all the course material with you. Even if you miss any class, even a complete course also, if you miss, you get all the recording and all the raw materials will be with you. Whenever you find time, you'll be able to formulate cosmetic products and you'll be able to learn. So don't miss this opportunity.
Hi, this is Ishwari Preetham. So I did a diploma course in cosmetology in your academy, and it is very, very useful to me. I am able to start a small scale business, and customers are regularly asking for face washes, melt and pour soaps. That is going on well. Thank you so much for introducing me to all these.
So she is a homemaker. Now she is a business owner, all because she took effort and she enrolled in the diploma in skincare formulation course, which has changed her life. So if you want your life to change, then you have to take effort. You have to enroll in the course. Definitely your life will also change and you will also become financially free and you will be earning in lakhs by selling all these beautiful cosmetic products, just like our students. So don't miss this opportunity. So this is not only for women, it is for both men and women. So let us see another review.
Hello, my name is Gautam and I am the student of Diploma in Skincare Formulations. I find the course affordable and a great platform to learn the basics of Cosmetic Science. I heartily thanks to Institute of Cosmetic Science for helping me to formulate various cosmetic products like gels, shampoos, creams, bath bombs and many more. And they also helped me to solve all my doubts while formulating. So thank you again. Thank you to the team.
So those of you who are using the QR to make the payment, kindly use the GPay number, Paytm number and PhonePe number to make the payment. Anusha, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. And those of you who have made the payment, kindly share the name, email address, phone number and screenshot so that we'll be able to complete your payment. So still, if any of you have any questions in your mind, kindly ask in the chat box so that I'll be able to answer your questions. So these are the brands which have been started by our students. Ashwini, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. So we have so many brand owners, we have so many business owners now who all started as an entrepreneur, who all started as a homemaker, and now they are entrepreneurs, all because they took a decision to change their life. They enrolled in the course, they invested their time, and every day they learned, and now their life has changed. Now they have formulated so many beautiful cosmetic products. They have started their own brand. They are earning in lakhs. Just like our students, if you want to become a brand owner, if you want to enter into the field of cosmetic science is a great field. It is a booming industry, and many of them, they are our students. They are making in lakhs by making all these beautiful cosmetic products, because these are very profitable products which we are teaching in this course. So just by selling one product, for example, if you sell this product, you will be getting 400 rupees profit. You're going to invest 60-70 rupees, including the bottle, everything together. You're going to invest only that. And when you join this course, we'll be sending the containers also, we'll be sending you the raw materials also, we'll be sending you everything. All you have to do is come online, learn, and then formulate along with us. Next day, we'll be sending you what we are going to teach, what materials you have to keep ready, and you have to join the class, keep all the materials ready, formulate along with us, and you'll be having 5-6 products in your hands for your business. Only thing is, you have to keep another phone, take a video of all what you are doing every day, and you keep posting in your Instagram page, you keep posting in your Facebook channel. At the end of the course, you will be having so many products in your hand, right? 50 products which you are learning in this course, all that you're going to get the raw materials, and you are going to formulate along with us every day for 2 weeks. Your life is going to change every day. Instead of watching Instagram, instead of watching television, you are going to formulate cosmetic products. End of 2 weeks, you have a great habit in your hand. You are going to become a formulator, and you are going to have so many cosmetic products ready in your hand to start your business immediately. Use all the videos which you have taken during the class 2 weeks, and then you post in the Facebook page, you post in your Instagram page. Many of our students, they don't even show their face. They take the video of the product and they post it, and through that they get the orders, and then they continue the business. This is what you can do, and you can become a cosmetics formulator. Don't miss this opportunity. And Ashwini, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. And so Ashwini, inside the course, we'll be giving you access for the recorded session also. In that, raw material supplier information will be there. You can contact the suppliers and you can buy the raw materials required. And Hema, we have many products for anti-acne. So this is also a product for anti-acne. It is a neem and French green clay face pack. We have so many products for pimples and pimple patches, pigmentation, everything. We have products, and we'll be teaching everything during the course also. And doubt clearing whenever, then and there, when you, because during the course you'll be formulating, right? Only when you formulate you get doubts. So when you join recorded session or and live session, what is the difference is, in the live session
you are going to make the products along with me, and you will be getting a lot of doubts, right? Like any questions in your mind. So that then and there you can ask. But when you join a recorded class somewhere, you have to buy the raw materials. Raw material has to reach your place. Then you will be formulating cosmetic products. Within that time, you cannot ask anyone the questions you cannot ask. But here, first thing is we are going to send you the raw materials. You have all the raw materials in the hand, and live session, you are going to make the products because you have everything ready. And once you make the product, you have any doubt, next day or that day itself, you can ask your doubts so that you become very, very confident. And end of the course, definitely you will be having all the products in your hand. So start your business. And Aisha, definitely you can do that. And so body polishing, you can use the creams which we are teaching, scrubs we are teaching. So Neelam, there is not like specific products, only the product and ingredient like that too. If you have a salon, many of our students are saloon owners only. So they formulate complete facial kit, complete scrubs, even this scrub, the orange and walnut scrub. This can also be used for body polishing. And body whitening, you can use saffron creams and other creams which are which has whitening properties. Sandalwood creams for body whitening. It can be used for body and face also. Aisha, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. So those of you who want to start your own business but still thinking to because you want to arrange the funds, you can make a payment of rupees 1,000. We'll hold your seat for another 1 or 2 days maximum. We can give you, you can make the balance payment and get your seat. So you can make the payment to PhonePe or Paytm or GPay. The numbers which I've shared already, I'm sending it to you, those of you who was asking. So GPay, it is 9047519066. So total fee is rupees 6,999, which includes the raw materials also. So don't miss this opportunity. This is a great opportunity. If you want to become a cosmetics formulator, this is a great opportunity for you. If you miss this now, then definitely you are going to regret. Again, next batch will be starting in December only. So within that time, all of you who have joined the course, you will be starting your own business. So that if time is missed, everything is missed. So don't miss this opportunity. Yes, in the name of iPhone, it includes raw materials which is required during the class period, during the classes, live classes, to formulate along with me what all raw materials are required. Some some materials you will have to buy, like coconut oil, olive oil, and few things, small weighing scale, few things you will have to buy. But most of the raw materials which you have to buy from the supplier, all that we'll be giving you. Only that which you can arrange yourself, which you can get in Amazon easily, that alone we'll be telling you. Before the classes itself, we'll be telling you, you'll be getting ample time. You'll have to get that. But most of the raw materials will be giving you. More than 70-80 raw materials will be sending it to your address, which you need to during the class. So at the end of the class, you'll have 50 products in your hand to start your business. And Huma, yes, it is an online course. The class duration, it is 2 weeks. So let us see a demo video. After that, I will answer all the questions in the chat box. So Huma, class timing is 2 to 3 p.m. It is happening from July 20th onwards for 2 weeks.
Today we'll see how to make a anti-acne face mask. For that, first we'll measure the phase A ingredients, that is coconut oil, next we'll take emulsifying wax, So we have phase A ready. Next we'll prepare phase B, that is we'll take DM water, that is next we'll take vegetable glycerin. So we have phase B ready. And now we'll measure phase C. For phase C we'll take neem powder. So here you can substitute the powders which you have. So we have taken all the powders which have antibacterial and antifungal properties in it. For that we are taking pure neem powder. This next we'll take multani mitti powder. Next I am taking turmeric powder. This is the turmeric which is specifically used for face. So this is not the one which we use for cooking. Should not add more as it will leave a yellow color tint if it is more. So only 1 gram is recommended. And gram powder. So you can use the basin gram powder. And moong dal powder, this is also. Next we are going to take calamine clay. Calamine clay is very good for healing wounds. So we have taken all the powders: neem powder, multani mitti, turmeric, gram powder, moong dal powder and calamine clay. So these are the ingredients which we are going to use for the anti-acne face pack. Next, once it reaches 70 degree, we'll transfer the water phase into a bowl. And then add the oil phase to it. Next we'll use a blender to blend this into. After blending, we'll add the powders one by one. We'll add the clay, the multani mitti powder, the gram flour, moong dal powder, turmeric powder, and neem powder. Now we'll blend it. It has formed into a creamy pack. It will harden further once it cools down. Now it has reached below 40 degree. So we'll add So to this we'll add the preservative, one ml. This doesn't need any artificial colors or essential oils. It has everything needed for a anti-acne pack. So this is a herbal formulation. This will stay wet until it comes in contact with air. So after application, within like 20 minutes it will get dry, and after that you can remove this pack. This will give instant fairness and remove the acne when applying weekly once. You can see it has formed a nice creamy pack, and the texture, the required texture or required consistency is when you turn the spatula, it should not fall down quickly. So this is the consistency of a pack. So now we'll transfer it to a container. It has a very nice natural fragrance in it. So hence we don't have to add any oil, artificial fragrance for it. This is a scrub cum pack, so while applying you can give a light massage for the scrubbing effect, since it has all the powders which gives a scrubbing effect. After that you can let it dry and then remove after 20 to 25 minutes. So we have our anti-acne pack ready. Thank you for watching the video. Still, if you have any questions in your mind, kindly post it in the chat box so that I'll be able to answer your questions. Those of you who have made the payment, kindly share the name, email address, phone number, and screenshot. Christina, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. So, those of you who are asking for class date and timing, class date, it is from July 22nd or 20th onwards. So yes, we are going to give the raw materials required for the course. During the course, what all you're going to use, you're going to get all the raw materials. Kindly share the screenshot. Those of you who have made the payment already, kindly share the screenshot to 9363519066 so that you get a confirmation from our team. And so in the name of yes, it is difficult to tell you all the raw materials. Around 70 types of raw materials will be sending to you. Using that, you are going to formulate 50 products. All the 50 products, we are going to give you the raw materials. Only some which like coconut oil, olive oil, those kitchen-based equipments and ingredients you'll have to buy. And definitely, this certificate is a very valid certificate. Our academy is affiliated to National Skill Development Corporation, IFSCC. So our certificate is also valid outside India. And Huma, we have offline classes in Bangalore, but that is the advanced course. So that option is available only after you complete this diploma in skincare formulation course. This course is going to give you material worth at least 50,000. You're going to make products, and immediately this course will help you to start your business. After that, only other when you want to join the advanced level, we want you to use your own money which you are earning from this course. We want you to sell all the products, get all the money, and then we want you to join in the offline classes, which the course fee is 35,000. But we are very sure once you complete this course, you will be able to use your own money and join the offline course. So this course is a great beginning for you to start your business. This course, during this course, every day we'll be talking about starting your business only, because this is a entrepreneurship opportunity course. So this course will definitely help you to start your own cosmetics business. And Uma, I can understand many of them who has joined today for the course, they are working professionals. That is why we are giving you recording of the session. And for working people to buy the raw materials and practice is also difficult. That is why we are giving you the raw materials, and for the recording, we are giving you lifetime access. The recording will be there with you for lifetime. So even after 4-5 years, if you want to again refresh, you want to learn, and the recording is going to be with you. So we are giving you everything for just by paying 6,999. You are going to learn a new subject. Cosmetic science is a very interesting subject. You're going to get all the raw materials required for formulation. Once you complete the course, you'll have all the products ready for selling. To start your own business, you'll have all the products. And so in the name of yes, after enrolling, once the classes will start from 20th July onwards. Every day, once the classes are over, we'll be uploading the recording, and next day you get access to the classes. So that is what at the end of the course, you'll get all the recordings, everything, ebooks, PDF, everything will be given at the end of the course. So during the course, live session will be there. Next day, recording will be uploaded. And Megha, so quickly I will tell you the syllabus so that every one of you who have missed the syllabus, I'll tell you the syllabus. So we'll be starting with face gel, 8 types of face gels, saffron gel, pomegranate gel, anti-acne gel, red wine gel, green tea gel, cucumber gel, aloe vera gel, chamomile gel, and then face creams, that is whitening sandalwood cream, light moisturizing cream, anti-aging red wine cream, brightening saffron cream, and then we'll move to face scrub, that is charcoal scrub, rose scrub, sweet orange scrub, underarm and elbow polishing scrub, coffee and chocolate scrub, and then We'll move to face pack, that is spirulina and French green clay face pack, herbal uptan and rice face pack, Dead Sea mud and charcoal face pack, mixed fruits face pack, rose and kaolin clay face pack, anti-acne face pack. So Mega, it is 6,999. Previously, we had recording, only the recording for 4,999. It is now 6,999. It is live classes and including the material. Previously, we do not give any material. It is only recorded classes. Now we are giving you the raw materials for all the 50 products, and then you are getting live sessions. We do not have any recorded session anymore. It is not very useful. So next is face wash, 24 karat gold face wash, skin brightening face wash, anti-acne face wash, Uptan face wash, coffee and walnut scrubbing face wash, and raw materials required for making all the products. For all the 50 products which we are teaching, all the raw materials which will be used during the class. It is not raw materials for everything, that is for making in bulk. It is for making the products during the class we'll be giving you. So melt and pour soaps, you'll be learning saffron soap, red wine soap, tan removal soap, goat milk soap, and anti-acne soap. And cold process soap, you'll be learning baby bathing bar, shea, cocoa, mango butter, luxury soap, goat milk soap, and charcoal soap. And then you'll be learning body lotion, baby soap, super absorbent lotion, aloe vera, tea tree, lavender, vitamin E lotion, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, nourishing and moisturizing lotion. Thank you, Mega. And bath bomb, you'll be learning lavender fizzy bath bomb, almond and kaolin bubble bath bomb, lipstick, lip balm, lip scrub, and lip serum. Yes, Mega, we'll be sending all the raw materials in courier. Shampoo and conditioner, that is keratin shampoo, hair conditioner, and detangler. Face serum. Face serum, you'll be learning serum for acne prone skin and 24 karat gold serum. And these are the 50 products which you will be learning in this course. For all these 50 products, we are going to send you the raw materials. We are going to send you the packaging supplies, live classes. You'll be learning starting from 20th July onwards. Will be today for all the students. Will be creating a WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, you can join, and in that group, we'll be sending you all the information. Once we dispatch the raw materials, also we'll be giving all the information in the WhatsApp group. And from 20th July onwards, we'll be sending you. We'll be starting the classes. By that time, you would have received all the raw materials in your hand. So don't miss this opportunity. What you are spending today, at the end of the course, you will have products which you can start your business. Once you start your business, definitely you'll be able to earn 50,000-60,000 in your hand. And yes, Mega, we have advanced classes, but advanced classes is there is no direct admission. Once you complete this course, you can join the advanced level program. Once for that, you'll have to complete the diploma in skincare formulation course. So Mega, no, now the advanced course fee is 35,000, but it is only after you complete the skincare formulation. Pooja, the class date is from 20th July. Today night 10 p.m. we'll be closing the admission for this batch. So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. You have time till 10 p.m. today. After that, you cannot join in this batch. So those of you who want installment option, you can make the payment of rupees 1,000. You can GPay, PhonePe or Paytm till to this number, which is shown on the screen, 9047519066, or you can scan the QR code and you can make the payment. Balance payment, you can make it within 24 hours. Thank you, Mega. So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. So once the seats are full, why I'm telling you so many times is because many of you will miss the opportunity. And then if you want to join, we are very strictly maintaining the batch, number of students in the batch, because our motive is everyone in the batch, we want them to become a brand owner. We want them to start their own cosmetics brand. So that is why we are taking very limited students and making them them successful. As I showed you earlier, we are taking very limited students. We are giving 100% training to them. And then we are making them brand owners. We are making them successful. That is why we are now concentrating only on live classes. So Mega, definitely, you can pay it till 10 p.m. Mega, only for the class, that is only for the during the class, what all raw materials required we'll be giving, but we are not supposed to sell the raw materials separately. We don't have that authorization because we are a central government affiliated academy. So only we can give you the raw materials required for the So by 10 p.m. we'll be closing the offer and we'll be creating a WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, further information will be shared. Thank you everyone for joining today's session. Don't miss this opportunity. You have time till 10 p.m. Enroll in the course. See you inside the course. So I think I have explained all the details till now. Again, we'll be sharing the class date, class timing, duration, everything in the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much for joining today's session. I wish to see every one of you inside the course. So kindly make the payment before 10 p.m. So Aisha, later after this course, we'll be giving you the supplier information. From the suppliers, you can buy all the raw materials. Mega will be teaching 50 types of 50 types of products. All the 50 products which I helped explain till now, will be teaching in the course. Thank you, Aisha. Thank you everyone for joining today's session. I want to see every one of you inside the course. And in the name of iPhone, the class duration, it is going to be 2 weeks. That is 10 working days and one Saturday will be having last session. So it will be 2 weeks course, Monday till Friday, 2 p.m. till 3 p.m. Mega, it is not access, it is live classes, right? So we'll be starting the classes from 20th. Once the classes are over or the complete course is over, we'll be giving you the login details access. Recorded session access after the course. So I hope I have answered all your questions. So our academy is affiliated to National Skill Development Corporation. This is the certificate you'll be receiving. We'll be sending the certificate to your address. And also you'll be getting a very valid memento, which will be sent along with the certificate. So thank you everyone. Thank you, Christina. Thank you, Mega. So still, if you have any question, you can WhatsApp to the number which I've shared with you. We'll be replying in that.